The future of transportation is electric, and it demands power that's as innovative as the vehicles themselves. The Matrix 389, the high-performance connector designed to revolutionize power distribution in next-generation eVTOLs, electric and hybrid electric vehicles, and charging stations. Traditional connectors simply can't handle the demands of high-power electric applications. They overheat, fail, and create safety hazards, jeopardizing efficiency and performance. Enter the Matrix 389. This next-generation connector combines the best of both worlds, the high current capabilities of the 5015 with the environmental resilience of the D389. It's built for the future of electromobility. The Matrix 389 isn't just a connector, it's a power solution. It ensures uninterrupted, reliable power flow in eVTOLs, propelling them to new heights. It keeps electric and hybrid vehicles running smoothly, mile after mile, and it fuels the future of charging stations, delivering rapid, safe power to every vehicle. The Matrix 389 is the missing piece of the puzzle. Its reliability and performance will give you the confidence to take your amps and volts to the next level. The future of charging with Matrix 389 is fast and safe, and it's helping to build a robust infrastructure for the electric revolution. Don't settle for the ordinary. Power your next electric project with a Matrix 389. Learn more at amphenol-aerospace.com.